How to unpartition a hard drive in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen, which will open all these options. Click on Disk Management in here. In Disk Management, simply click on New Volume, which is at the bottom. Right-click on the New Volume option, as you'll find it in the disk. Then click on Delete Volume. After you've clicked on Delete Volume, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Press on Yes. After you've done that, instead of New Volume, you will find Unallocated. You need to right-click on the unallocated part. After you right-click on it, you'll find these options pop up again. And here, you will be able to click on Extend Volume. Click on it, and then you'll find this kind of screen. Press on Next in here. After that, press on Finish, and you're good to go. This is how to unpartition a hard drive in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.